Thermostat display blank? It's usually a quick fix like swapping out the batteries or resetting the thermostat, so don't freak out just yet. Okay, so if your thermostat screen goes dark, first thing, check the batteries. Sometimes they just die on you, and it's an easy swap. If your thermostat is hardwired, make sure the circuit breaker hasn't tripped or the fuse isn't blown. That's a sneaky one people miss. Another tip is to look for a reset button or pull the thermostat off its base and put it back on to reboot it. Also, if your thermostat uses a common wire, double check it's connected properly because no power means no display. If none of that works, there might be a wiring issue or the thermostat itself could be faulty, so calling a pro might save you headaches. Meanwhile, avoid fiddling too much with wires unless you know what you're doing because that can cause more damage. Keep a spare set of batteries handy next time so you're not stuck in the cold or heat when this happens again. One of the biggest mistakes is ignoring dead batteries and assuming the whole system is busted. Just swap those out first. Another common issue is accidentally tripping the circuit breaker or blowing a fuse and not checking it before panicking. Lastly, people often try to fix wiring issues themselves without experience, which can make things worse. The fix here is simple. If you're unsure about electrical stuff, call an expert to avoid safety risks. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful for homeowners who want to find reliable local contractors without the hassle. It also gives contractors a solid way to connect with people needing their skills, making big projects way less stressful for everyone.